Welcome to, or welcome back to, Sow Grow. My name is Luke, and no, that thumbnail and title is not clickbait. Florida has had more snow than we have here in southeast Iowa. It's absolutely crazy. However, on Wednesday, today is Monday, we're expected to get 4 to 6 inches of snow. So, to prepare for that, I'm going to do a few more things with the grapple, such as grab some firewood logs and cut them into rounds, split some firewood after that, and then we'll swap out the grapple for the bucket and my edge tamers, and we'll take off the big tool rack and we'll put on my rear blade in preparation for moving snow. Got a decent pile of rounds here. Everything in the firewood shed that's large enough to be split has been split, so we're moving on to my big log piles that I have. And this is all long, dead, and dry, so it should be good to burn. Well, as you can see, it has snowed, but I still think Florida for the season has had more snow than us. We got about 2 inches of snow. They're saying up to 8. Maybe more is coming later, but probably not enough to make up that difference. So, I got everything on the tractor, so I might as well just push this measly bit of snow around just for fun. Come along with me. Took my rear blade and flipped it around so it's not digging in. I've got quite a few tractor videos now, so if you like this content, go back and watch some of my old videos. I promise they're not too long or too boring. I try to keep everything under about 10 minutes. So there's two reasons why I'm plowing our trails. I'm sure some of you are wondering why I even bother. One is for our dog. This deeper snow, he tends to slip a little bit more, and he's already got a torn ACL. He'll be having surgery on Wednesday, and after that he'll have a bandage, and we'll want to keep that thing dry. And the other reason is just for us, when we go for walks, either with the dog or without the dog, we don't have to trudge through 4 or 5 inches of snow. If you like this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up, a share, a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Took my rear blade and flipped it around so it's not digging in, and that worked really well. It's probably the method I'm going to use from now on, and just use the bucket for scooping big piles into other places. But another successful Kioti plow job, even though it wasn't much snow. Alright, so that is definitely nicer to walk on than that, for sure. And if it warms up, it won't ice over as much, it'll just melt. Because the ground is still fairly warm, because we've barely had winter this year. Anyway, thanks for coming along with me today. I'm going to try to be posting more frequently, so subscribe for more with the notifications on. Thanks. Have a great weekend or week or whenever you're watching this.